Hey guys, quick question. Are you on Clubhouse yet? Well, before I get started, Ty Cohen here from Kindle Cashflow, author of a book, Kindle Publishing Secrets. To get a free copy of my book, make sure you go to kindlecashflow.com. I want to ask you a quick question. Are you on the new social media app, Clubhouse? If you are not, you need to join now. I'm going to actually post a link to a free event that I'm doing on Clubhouse with one of my guests, Nicole Cooper. And we're going to actually talk about how do you go about using just what's in your head and your skill right now to build a six-figure business. All right, so we're going to take you step by step using the same processes that I've used, that I've taught to many of my students, that she's used, that she's taught to tens and tens of thousands of people. And we're going to walk you step by step through the entire process. But guess what? You need to be on Clubhouse to actually join us. So you're probably wondering, what is Clubhouse? Well, Clubhouse is the new social media app that is taking the planet by storm. It is a audio-only app where you get to listen in on conversations between people. You get to listen in on some really big name individuals out there, some celebrities, people like Oprah Winfrey, Kevin Hart, The Rock, Dwayne Johnson, people like myself. I'll throw myself in there. And it's a really cool way of really getting insight into just all aspects of what is out there, including growth hacks, including ways to start and build a business, including ways to take care of your health, take care of your body, build out your relationships, and so much more. So I want you to follow me on Clubhouse. As you guys know, I always give away some really amazing cash and prizes, right? Prizes like these Apple AirPods, which I'll be giving away on tomorrow's call, and this Apple Watch. Boom, boom, boom. And then I've got some MacBook Air computers here too. So I've got two of them. So make sure you go in and follow me on Clubhouse. I'm at Ty Cohen, just Tycohen. I'm also going to leave a link in the description for this talk that we're going to have between myself and Nicole, where we'll talk about how do you go about building a successful, long-term, long-lasting, highly profitable six-figure business using just the skill that you have right here in your head. So join me and let me know in the comments. Have you heard about Clubhouse yet? Are you on Clubhouse? If you're not on it and you need an invite, let me know as well. Comment below and I'll get you in if you're not. If you are curious about how to get started, go into the App Store and search for Clubhouse, Clubhous, and see if you can get in. It's pretty much sometimes it's invite only. I've heard some people who said that they can go into the App Store and download the app and get in instantly, which is what happened for me. I was able to download the app directly from the App Store and I got in like this. And then there's other people who need an invite. If you need an invite, comment below and I'll invite you in. And that's it. But when you do get in, make sure you follow me, Ty Cohen, Tycohen. And I can't see you. I can't wait to see you. I can't see you on Clubhouse, but I can't wait to see you on Clubhouse. How's about that for an ending? I'll see you. Bye-bye.